In the vastness of time, long before the first dawn kissed the Earth's surface, our planet was born from the remnants of ancient stars. This is the story of Earth's forgotten eons, a time of fire and ice, of chaos and creation, a time when life, fragile and tenacious, took its first breath. For billions of years, Earth was a world in flux, its surface shaped by titanic forces and cosmic collisions. But within this crucible of creation, the seeds of life were sown. Join us as we journey back to the beginning, to the Precambrian time, where the story of life on Earth truly begins. 4.5 billion years ago, in a corner of a nascent galaxy, our planet was born from the remnants of an ancient star. This was the beginning of the Hadean Eon, the first chapter of Earth's story, one shrouded in fire and fury. The Earth, still young and fiery, was a molten sphere bombarded by asteroids and comets. These collisions, chaotic and relentless, were the crucible in which our world was forged. Yet in this chaos, the seeds of life were sown. One such collision, catastrophic in scale, gave rise to our moon, a celestial body born from the debris of this violent impact. The Earth-Moon system, still evolving, began to stabilize, setting the stage for the next act in Earth's ancient history. As the Earth cooled, water vapor condensed to form the first oceans, covering much of the planet's surface. These primordial seas were unlike anything we know today, rich in minerals and teeming with chemical reactions. The atmosphere, devoid of oxygen, was a mix of methane, ammonia, and other noxious gases. Yet in these harsh conditions, life found a way. Deep within the oceans, simple microscopic organisms began to emerge, harnessing energy from the chemical-rich environment. These were the first life forms, prokaryotes, tiny single-celled organisms that would dominate Earth for billions of years. Through processes like chemosynthesis and, later, photosynthesis, they would slowly alter the atmosphere, paving the way for more complex life. As the Archean Eon gave way to the Proterozoic, the world was on the brink of a transformation. The simple life forms that once thrived in an oxygen-free environment began to change the atmosphere irrevocably. Cyanobacteria, through the process of photosynthesis, began to produce oxygen as a byproduct. Over millions of years, this oxygen accumulated in the atmosphere and oceans, leading to one of the most significant events in Earth's history, the Great Oxygenation Event. With oxygen came a new wave of innovation, eukaryotes. These more complex cells, with their specialized structures and nuclei, marked a significant leap in the evolution of life. Eukaryotes were the ancestors of all complex life, including plants, animals, and fungi. Over time, these cells began to cooperate, forming the first multicellular organisms, simple yet remarkable creatures that would lay the groundwork for the explosion of life to come. But life on Earth was not without its challenges. Around 700 million years ago, the planet experienced one of its most severe ice ages, an event known as Snowball Earth. For millions of years, the planet was nearly entirely frozen, a stark contrast to the warm, life-rich seas that had once existed. Yet life persisted, surviving in isolated pockets of liquid water beneath the ice. When the ice finally receded, it paved the way for a new era, the Ediacaran period. This time, complex multicellular life began to flourish, giving rise to the first large organisms. The Ediacaran biota were unlike anything alive today, enigmatic, soft-bodied organisms that defy easy classification. They represented the first experiment in large, complex life forms, a prelude to the Cambrian explosion that would follow. The Precambrian time, spanning nearly 90% of Earth's history, set the stage for everything that would come after. It was a time of slow but relentless change, of cataclysmic events and extraordinary innovations in life. From a molten world to a planet teeming with life, the Precambrian era is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. It is the forgotten eon, but without it, the world as we know it would not exist. And so, as we look around us today, At the rich diversity of life, the complex ecosystems, and the intricate web of interactions, we are witnessing the legacy of the Precambrian, a time when life first took hold of this planet and began its long, extraordinary journey.